In this video, I just quickly want to share with you my transcript plus my certificate that I obtained when I passed the Microsoft MTA 98-366 Networking Fundamentals exam. And the reasons for doing this is just to be transparent with you because you don't personally know me and you don't know personally if I pass the exam just by taking my word. So I think it's important that I share this information with you. And also, as I was preparing for this exam, other courses that I took, the instructors actually didn't take this exam. They didn't get the certification. Yes, they were certified in other networking certifications or they had a lot of experience in networking, but a lot of them actually didn't pass the exam. And I think if you're going to be teaching a course for specific certification, I think that you should actually pass the exam and you should be transparent with your students. So I'm just showing this with you. Now, of course, I did go ahead and blur out some sensitive PII information, personally identifiable information, but as you can see on the screen, here's the transcript. It shows that the date of achievement is April 5th, 2018, and I passed the 98-366 Networking Fundamentals exam on this date. Now let me go ahead and pull up the certificate, which I downloaded as a PDF. Here is the certificate that shows that I am an MTA in the networking fundamentals, and it shows the exact same date. It shows the exact same certification number. I did blur the certification number out because I think that may potentially be PII information. I'm not sure how Microsoft uses it. So that's just it. I just wanted to be transparent. I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to prove to you guys, for those of you that might be skeptics, that I actually am certified in this exam.